Wow. OMG. Oh, this is a new wonderful day in time for videos. Let me fix my hair first. Hang on a second, guys. Right. See, do I look good already? Do I look good already? Do I look good already? What can you say about it? What? Alrighty, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just very ecstatic about this video because if you have been following me on a Facebook page, I have been encouraging you guys to record 1 to 2 minute videos to ask me a very specific question so you can get featured on my video and then I can answer your question through a video. That was a mouthful. Okay, so our very first video submission is coming from Ferdinand Rusima. Ferdinand. Hi, Ferdinand. Can I call you Ferdy? Ferdy? That girl from Black Eyed Peas? Oh my god, my humor sucks. Anyway, alrighty, let us hear what Ferdinand has to say.
Hi, Demi. I would like to ask, are you currently using ClickFunnels for your business? And for email marketing, what software do you use? And for assigning tasks, delegating tasks to your staff, what software do you use? And are you currently running Google Ads as well or just Facebook ads?
Alrighty, so there were 4 questions that we need to unpack. I'm so excited. So I'm going to put the 3rd question to the last one because I'm going to show you my screen. But let us go first to Ferdinand's first question, if I'm using ClickFunnels in my pages. So Ferdinand, the answer is no. I am currently not using ClickFunnels, but I am going to be switching soon. Currently, I'm using Kajabi for my landing pages, and the Academy platform in itself is made in Kajabi. Now, the reason why I'm transferring to ClickFunnels soon, not the members area for CRA, but the landing pages and the sales pages and whatnot to ClickFunnels is because ClickFunnels is the only sales funnel platform out there that has the ability to do split testing. So when you are talking about split testing rather, it's very important for people who are running ads to ensure or to double test which copy works best, which image works best, which page background color looks best. And it's only ClickFunnels that has that very ability. And so for me to maximize my ad spend, I need to make sure that all of these things, all these factors in terms of sales pages and funnels and whatnot are all being tested. So very soon I will be transferring, but yes, as of this moment, I really am not using ClickFunnels. I'm super excited to be transferring though. Next question that Ferdinand has, what is the email marketing software that I'm using? I'm currently using ConvertKit. Ever since I have started in my freelancing journey, I'm trying to build my email list for my clients. All the clients that I have been with in terms of digital marketing and sales funnels, I've all told them to use ConvertKit. So ConvertKit is very easy to set up, very easy to use, and I have been with them for as long as I can remember, for as long as I have been doing digital marketing. I've always been a fan of ConvertKit in a sense that they have been developing their software all the time and they're not kind of like, you know, they specialize in email marketing, if I make sense, because Kajabi in itself has their very own email marketing software, but it's very half-assed. You know, if you know what I mean, sorry for the French, but it's just the truth. When it comes to deliverability, the email marketing software of Kajabi is just and then we also have the specialization of ConvertKit in itself when it comes to email marketing is superb. I've always loved them. I cannot make super advanced automations in ConvertKit, but otherwise, user friendliness is what I'm really looking for when it comes to software rather than, doing all this advanced stuff. Right. So your last question, Ferdinand, is if I am running Google ads or, other type of ads. As of this moment, no, I'm not doing it. But fortunately, YouTube ads is under Google ads as well, right? Because YouTube is bought by Google, I think, right? And then when you are doing ads on YouTube, you are actually receiving the AdSense from Google AdSense, which makes sense. Oh my gosh, I'm so good at rhymes. Yes. So the only two platforms that I'm using ads for is Facebook ads and YouTube ads. Those are the top two ones. I haven't touched Pinterest and Google AdWords yet because as of this moment, as I'm recording this video, my website is still in the works. I'm not really focusing on SEO that much because I'm just not good at it. That's not my cup of tea. So in order for me to be efficient and effective at something, I have to do something that I know at least I have the knowledge of, even if it means I'm not really good at it, but that means I can develop it later on. And that would be Facebook ads and YouTube ads. So last but not the least, I would like to take the time here to let you see a little bit of what's happening when I come to delegate things to my team. So in terms of task delegation, I am actually using Notion. So I'm going to be showing to you the busiest page that we have inside SFE, which is multimedia projects or anything that has something to do with video, graphics, and and multimedia design basically in general. So this is like the busiest Notion page that we have. And I use Notion because there are so many things that you can do in Notion. There are so many things that you can organize Notion for. And I'm not going to be recording like an entire video for this, or I'm not going to be explaining it in detail. And Ferdinand, you can do your very own research when it comes to Notion, but this is like my go-to place. I used to be doing Trello, and I'm going to show you how the Trello one looked like. So Trello, we transferred from Trello to Notion because it's just insane. So if you're going to look at here, we have one list for each person or each member, and it's just unorganized. And so I told everyone that we're going to transfer to Notion, and this is like the best software thus far that I've encountered that is like super organized. Everything is there, As you can see here, we have project status, and this is like a board view that looks exactly like Trello. But in this sense, each person, or Luis, my multimedia designer, we can see everything here from start to finish. So if we have a project ongoing, like for example, Module 7 Batch 1 videos, it turns from no status to for review if I am supposed to review it, done, on hold, or in progress. And then there's also this deadlines that we have, comments if we need it, right? So I'm going to just open this one. Okay, so I can't open the rest because it's like private, but this one is fine. So the title of the project is Module 1 Batch 1 Videos. Earlier, before I recorded this very specific video submission, I recorded the first batch of Module 7 videos, and that's what the title is. You can add different types of properties like text, number, select, multi-select, date, person, files, checkbox, URL, email, and phone. And I have a couple of properties that I need to answer when it comes to creating a project, just so I would know where it's coming from. I know what type it is. I know what file link should I go to in order to access the videos that Luis has edited for me. Publish date meaning when it's going to go out. Deadline, of course, after I have passed it on to a team, I can set a deadline for them, that kind of stuff. Assign to, of course, the person that I'm going to assign this to, right? So on and so forth. So we have that kind of setting in terms of project management. And apart from this board view that looks exactly like Trello, on the same page in Notion, I can have quick links. Like this, for example, we have quick links for B-roll footages, image, and then my branding photos, the login accesses that Luis needs in order to accomplish the project. And at the bottom of that, we also have receipts and invoices that of course I'm not going to show. So in the receipts and invoices, it's a table wherein there's invoice number, date, the amount of the invoice, the proof of transaction, and the official receipt that I'm asking them so that I can have it taxed in VAT for BIR. All that kind of stuff. So there are so many things that you can actually do in terms of Notion. And I'm just going to show you real quick. If I'm going to type / for commands, there are so many blocks that you can do. You can have text, page, to-do list, heading 1, 2, 3, bulleted list, numbered list, toggle list. Toggle list is like exactly what this is. Quote divider, and then you can mention a person. You can have a database, like a whole database, like board or table rather, and then board. Board is exactly what you're seeing right here, list and all that kind of stuff. So Ferdinand, I suggest that if you are interested when it comes to Notion, you can Google a couple of videos about it. The one that I set this very specific database with is Ali Abdal. So Ali has a lot of videos in terms of Notion. He's a junior doctor and a podcaster and a YouTuber based in UK, and he has a lot of videos about Notion, including Thomas Frank. Thomas Frank has a lot of videos about Notion as well, but like Thomas Frank's videos about Notion is like the most complicated videos about Notion that I found. But Ali's videos are good when it comes to Notion, so I suggest you check it out. I'm going to be creating my very own videos on Notion very, very soon, but not at this time. Alrighty, so I think that answers all your questions, Ferdinand, and I hope you have learned something out from this video. And you guys, if you want to ask any question, anything at all, and if you want me to specifically record a video about your very question, if you want to get featured in a video like how Ferdinand got featured, of course, you can submit your videos at alpha@demibernice.com. Put a subject line video submission, and I will see how I can help, right? So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.